everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima. Welcome to LiveLaw. We have discussed the arguments made by Mr. Sibal in the Supreme Court of India in the matter relating the abrogation of Article 370. Let's continue with a few more arguments that Mr. Kapil Sibal made in the court. Senior Advocate Mr. Kapil Sibal, appearing for NCP MP Muhammad Akbar Lone, argued that the governor of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and the union government acted in tandem to get rid of Article 370. He stated that the abrogation of the article was a purely political act. With this, Mr. Sibal also shed light on the sequence of events leading to the abrogation, emphasizing that on June 19, 2018, BJP withdrew its support to the coalition government of Jammu and Kashmir. Within a day of this, on June 20, 2018, the governor exercised the power conferred to him under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir and declared the governor's rule in the state and assumed the functions of the government and legislature of the state. He added that such a proclamation of the governor could only remain valid for a period of 6 months. And thus the governor's rule in the state was to end in December 19, 2018. However, the governor under the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir dissolved the Legislative Assembly of the state on November 21, 2018. Explaining the events, Mr. Sibal said, and I quote, "According to the PDP, they sent a fax to Srinagar that they're in support of the NCP and they're willing to form the government. The governor says he never received the fax because he was in Jammu and the fax was sent to Srinagar. So on November 21st, 2018, the governor dissolved it. He critiqued the governor's actions and said, the governor cannot dissolve the Legislative Assembly without the Council of Ministers. He has already suspended the Council of Ministers. This is a pure political act. The governor and the government were acting in tandem. They wanted to get rid of 370. Why would the governor on 20th June, after withdrawal of support on 19 June, suspend the assembly and not allow any political affiliation to form so that a new government could be formed?" Referring to the issuance of proclamation under Article 356 promulgating President's rule in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which was issued on December 19, 2018, Mr. Sibal said, and I quote, "There is no Council of Ministers, no government in place. But he sends a report that government of the state cannot be carried out. There are no negotiations, no communication. This is an amazing piece of handiwork. This is a mosaic of illegalities." Moreover, he also questioned the legality of the president's rule. He said, and I quote, "The question is, what is the power under Article 356? The quintessential object of Article 356 is to restore democracy. You take over because a government cannot run for a temporary period for the restoration of democracy. You don't use Article 356 for its decimation." Mr. Sibal also added, and I quote, "You cannot introduce a bill in Parliament at 11 o'clock, pass a resolution without anyone knowing about it." It sort of fits into the argument that this was a political process carried through constitutional means. To this, Justice Kaul responded with saying, and I quote, "Everything is a political process, Mr. Sibal. The question is if it fits in the Constitution." That's all for now. We'll be back with another update very soon. Do like and share the video if you find it useful. Meanwhile, you can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.